Hey, welcome back. In this video, we will learn about the NaN or not a number in JavaScript, and also we will discuss about the 0 and infinity in JavaScript. Okay, so let's see not a number in action. So I will do console log 0 divided by 0. So if I just save that, as you can see, the answer is not a number. All right. So we can do something like this. So capital N, a capital N, that is also not a number. Okay. All right. Also, we can add a number to this not a number. Let's do NaN plus 5. It is still NaN, not a number. Okay. So in JavaScript, NaN basically shorthand for not a number, and NaN is a number that is not a legal number. So what exactly do I mean? So if I just do console log type of capital NaN, not a number, hit save, as you can see, the type of not a number is a number. Okay, so it is a little bit confusing, but don't worry about that. Okay, so this is the not a number or NaN. Okay, then inside of JavaScript, we have infinity. Okay, so console log, and I can do something like infinity. Okay, so this is the infinity. So this is infinite number. Okay, so how we can get infinity? We can get infinity by doing something like this: 5 divided by 0. We will get infinity here. Okay, so this is infinity. Now, what if I do console log negative 5 divided by 0? Not like that, negative 5 divided by 0. Then we will get negative infinity. Okay, infinity is the biggest number in JavaScript. Negative infinity is the smallest number in JavaScript. Also, what exactly is the type of infinity? It is a number. Okay, as you can see. All right, so we have infinity and negative infinity. Then we have 0 and negative 0. So console log 0. So as you can see, we are having 0 here, and then we can have negative 0 here as well inside of JavaScript, which is a little bit confusing, to be honest, but it is what it is. So we have 0 and negative 0 in JavaScript. Okay. All right. So in this video, we have learned about not a number, NaN, how we can get not a number, something like this. Okay. NaN is a number, but it is not a legal number. All right. Okay. Then we have seen the type of NaN, which is a number. Then we have discussed about infinity and how we can get infinity by something like this. The type of infinity, which is number. We have negative infinity as well. Infinity is the biggest number in JavaScript. Negative infinity is the smallest number in JavaScript. Then we have 0 and negative 0 in JavaScript. Okay. All right. So in this video, we have discussed about not a number and infinity and 0. All right.